We came here to a local Mongolian spot. It's in Yuba City. Thank you. They bring you these little chips. They give you a side of white rice and then the soup with tofu and like cabbage. These are really good. And then these breads. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're really good. I like adding peanuts and fresh jalapenos. I did broccoli, carrots, onions, mini corns, and mushrooms. I just got a free lip filler. It hits the spot every single time. And then, and then now that they charge